Hello, I'm Darryl Gobbett, Chief Economist. One of the issues we raised in the 10 Best Investment Ideas for 2013 was the possible impact that the very sharp fall in US natural and LNG gas prices might have on both the US economy and the broader world energy prices. We've updated one of the charts that we use quite a bit, and that'll sort of show up in this presentation, and it shows the different gas prices, say for Japan, Europe, the ones out of Russia, and also the gas prices that are in the United States. Alongside that, there's also the black line, which shows world oil prices. In this case, they're represented by the average of Dubai Feta, Brent, and West Texas Intermediate. What you can see from that chart is a significant fall in US gas prices as a result of in a sense, a technological revolution allowing them to get more gas out of very tightly held resources. So the gas price has fallen, but it's also fallen very sharply relative to what has continued to be rising gas and oil prices across the rest of the world. Now, Travis Adams is putting together a presentation on some of the impacts that specifically has on some Australian investments, but we'll be looking over the next couple of weeks on some of the broader issues that this decline in gas prices having in the United States. One of the things, for example, the revolution in being able to extract gas has done is to sharply increase mining employment in the United States. So now there are more people employed in mining in the United States than actually in their motor vehicle industry, which is a significant change around. But this drop in gas prices has also had a significant impact, for example, on US energy prices more broadly. So petrol prices in the United States are now the equivalent of less than 80 cents a litre compared to, say, $1.50, $1.60 in Australia and close to $2 in Europe. So that's, again, having an impact on consumer income. So even with some of the tax changes in the fiscal cliff, US consumers are becoming quite significantly better off because of the drop in the price of gasoline resulting from this increase in gas, because a lot of gasoline can now be extracted from the gas. Another area which is having a big impact is in fertiliser prices, because natural gas is a major feedstock into fertiliser. So US farmers are likely to be seeing their fertiliser prices coming down relative to those, say, in Europe or Australia. Another area is just the fall in the cost of energy across US manufacturing. And a lot of plastic manufacturers are now looking at bringing their plastic plants back from the Middle East or Southeast Asia into the United States, because, again, natural gas is a major feedstock into the production of plastics. And we'll be looking at some of the impacts of this more broadly and on specific Australian companies over the next couple of weeks.